top of the world, like nothing's ever gonna bring me down. This feeling got me flying high as a bird. I may never touch the ground. It may not be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life.
All right, you guys, we made it to our next destination in Ohio. We are at Ucamp 2023, Nucamp's annual Teardrop Rally for all the owners. And it's a week-long event. We'll be here for about four, maybe 5 days. Check it out, see what it's all about, meet up with a bunch of other owners. Everybody has teardrops, the tabs, 400s, the 320s, and the tags. A lot of fun activities, tours of the factory, games, just a lot of good camaraderie, food, fun, and just festival-style camping.
Which is our biggest thing.
Yep, meeting new owners and friends, festival-style camping. We all have the Nucamp campers in common, teardrops. So, Ucamp Campground in beautiful SugarCreek, Ohio, Amish country. It's amazing out here. It's gonna be a great week. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Be my birthday, but I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night. Like feeling alive. I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate, 'cause it's a
That's a tag to throw you.
good life. I just want to celebrate all night.
You're going to be really popular.
Look at my friend here.
Fine selection
yes,
of,
please. There we go.
See, what do we got here? A Northern Kentucky bourbon matched with an Ohio Valley original heirloom blue corn. New Riff Distillery.
Let's get the party started. Hey, man, you're good on camera.
Whatever you want. Plenty there.
All right.
Oh, okay. But like I've seen, like some people put this.
Smile.
I've been recording you the whole time.
Oh.
You didn't want to be on video.
For what? Okay,
for sleeping.
Stop it! No, Doug, come back. See, Doug's like me.
Family here now.
Yes.
So we'll be at a state park and there'll be a family with kids next door. And I'm like,
Lord.
the trailer's not rocking. Don't do it. I'm napping. No, leave me alone.
Is that your first one?
My new friend rode his bike and delivered me bourbon.
Yes. See.
Really?
Bigger. This don't have a hole in it. So.
This is the donut that they're giving us Wednesday, but we had to come here today because somebody thought about donuts this morning.
For me.
And I know it wasn't my wife.
They could have not have put the sprinkles on it.
The sprinkles, yeah.
I don't think it needed sprinkles
It did
either.
not need.
No.
I had one with strawberries on it.
That was just for
That
decoration.
was on the decoration.
Oh, that's the
They said they
advertisement
didn't
one.
give us that one.
That's exactly, yes. But they could have just have skipped the sprinkles.
Yeah.
It does not need sprinkles. You
No.
know what? I
The
think.
donut's good though.
But I
The donut
don't.
is
I would have
very
even left the icing off. Just have the glaze part on it.
I don't know. I feel like all of that is good.
What's that thing in the
my
bottom?
opinion,
That's what we're eating tomorrow.
Oh, the bottom is the big boy.
Yeah.
yes, and that's why I was like, yes,
Oh, I
this
didn't
is
get a
the same
picture of that.
donut.
It's about day 6 or 7 for us on the road. The weekend at Mohican, and now we're at Ucamp. It's day 3, and it's
What is that
laundry
much
time.
needed thing that you need to do when you're
Yeah.
camping?
Well, you don't. I mean, it's not a common thing on a weekend trip.
Wash.
So we found a little laundromat. We're getting some clothes clean, and yeah, something you gotta do on an extended trip. It's not common for us. The only other time I think was this summer when we were out west. We stopped in West Yellowstone.
Well, usually we bring enough clothes, but the problem has been it's June and it's been cold, so a lot of
Super
the gear
rainy.
we brought we're not wearing, and we're re-wearing some of the warmer clothes.
Yeah.
But it happens.
And rainy and dirty and just everything. So it had to be done.
There, oh, there, go, 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 go. Yes, oh, good girl, Lou.
That one's deep right there.
What are you cooking?
We are cooking Cuban sandwiches. So, I think it's 5:30, 6 o'clock. We were at the Nucamp Rally here with Mandy and Kendrick, 2023. Out here having a great time, meeting a bunch of new people and seeing a bunch of new rigs. So we're just coming back in tonight. They're gonna have a wine and cheese meet and greet of everybody. But we're working on a little bit of dinner before we actually head out. No, it's not tacos. It's sandwich night. Stop. It's killing me. But it'll be okay. Even though it's my birthday month. Sherry, you need to send the memo on how this works. Because it ain't working for me. Let me grab my tongs. So I had already made, Jay had already done some pork at home, so I already kind of pre-sliced it. So
Yeah, I cooked that.
yeah, he cooked that. I'm just kind of heating that through a little bit before I put our sandwiches together with our ham, and I've got some Swiss cheese. I've got some pickles. I don't know which pickles I'm going to use because I got some sweet and gourmet sweet Nathan's with horseradish, and then I found some at a local market, Harvey's Famous Spicy and Sweet. I don't know which ones to use here. And then we're going to attempt to try to close this puppy. Probably not enough cheese for your liking.
Flip it over the other way so it looks like you're on the sand. Turned out really good.
No, it was good.
My idea, not Mexican food.
All right, well, I've got a couple of announcements that I need to. And then Propane. You need Propane, we'll do it for you, $20.
Turn the music around.
Enjoy the cheese and the wine, and welcome to Ucamp.
Sunset. Isn't it looking like the people?
And looking at the rain.
So I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I say hey, what's going on? Come on, young. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, hey. I said, hey, what's going on? What's his name? YouTube all the time, Bob Camping. Touching me, touching you, sweet Caroline, ba ba ba. The times never seem so good, so good, so good, so good. I'm inclined, ba ba ba, to believe they never would. Oh no, no. Da, da, da. Sweet Caroline, ba, ba, ba. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I'm inclined to believe they never would. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. Sweet Caroline, ba, ba, ba. Good times never seem so good. So good, so good, so good. I'm inclined, ba, 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 to believe they never would. Y'all seem so pretty. Give yourselves a round of applause. I'm a place where we just met, she's just a girl for me, and I want the world to see we've met. Had it been the other day, I might have looked the other way, and I'd have never been aware. As it is, I'll dream of her tonight. La 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 la. Falling, yes I am falling, and she keeps calling me back again. I'd have never known the likes of this. I've been alone and I got missings and be out of sight, but at this I never quite like this. La, 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 la. 'Cause I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues away, and I'll be okay. 'Cause I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns and the beer chases my blues. Slip on down to the oasis, 'cause I got friends in low places.
You're on camera, huh?
Are you kidding me right now?
No! See? Tacos are everywhere.
I thought you were my friend. How did that get there?
They're nice and warm.
Alrighty. Johanna, come on down and get your cornhole boards, buddy. But that was a mistake on our part.
Just put barbecue sauce on my parfait.
You didn't, did you?
I haven't had my coffee.
But with these slippery boards, that high approach is nice.
I like it that you went for it, though. A lot of people went up. All right,
A long way.
Woo!
Great game.
Absolutely. Bring your home rolls, guy.
How much? A little bit? How much?
Ahoy, hoy.
How many campers do we have here? All right, the next prize was donated by All Pro Adventure, and there's a couple of these. The first one is a tag. This is a tag awnings, right? Chris Clinton, come on down. All right, the next one is a
Okay, we've got 6 plaques to give out tonight, and we're going to start with the Ace of Accessories Award. And the winner this year is Daphne and Mark Knuckle.
So we're at Ucamp and it's now major hail. Oh my God. Crazy. Crazy. Hopefully that was it. Oh my God.
Is there supposed to be any tornado weather? I need you to get on the thing right now.
Oh my God! I don't want to get stuck in a hail. We're being evacuated. There's sirens going off, hail. We just had hail, the sirens are going off. Are you guys staying?
We're great.
You're staying?
Yeah, we're staying.
Okay.
Not right. Power, water, people. Please contact somebody.
It's Friday. We've been here 4 days. Got here Monday. No, we got here Sunday night. We left Mohican. This is the last day, but we're having to leave early. They have some events later and a potluck and karaoke night, but we gotta get headed back home. She has to be to work tomorrow. So we got a long day of driving. It was a pretty crazy night last night. There's been a lot of rain and thunder and stuff while we're here, but last night was, as you saw the little clips, sirens going off and being told to evacuate the campground. She was like really terrified.
Golf ball size.
The hail was big,
insane.
yeah. I think the siren is what made it real for everyone. Most everyone left. So we went to the service center, as you saw. We were only there maybe 20 minutes. It was a quick moving storm.
You know what my favorite movie is?
This is all started because her favorite movie, if we probably never shared this, is Twister.
We were talking
She's
about that
probably
all
watched
weekend.
it 5,000 times.
But I don't need to live it.
Earlier in the week, she wanted to watch Twister on Netflix or something. I was like, no, not while we're out camping.
So as always, it is my fault.
But everyone got to safety. We tried to make sure we could get people over there and see if they knew what was going on. Doug and Marcia actually lived through a tornado back home in Alabama, and so their terror would be really, I can understand. We've been through some pretty crazy hurricanes. I wasn't like super worried. I just wanted to get all my camera gear out of here.
Okay.
Obviously, get us and Lulu to safety too, and other people.
We've never been through a siren going off. Like literally, like you're in the area where they're.
I think we have, but it's okay.
No, we have not.
Well, you were like super panicked.
Okay, well.
But so we haven't talked a lot to you guys.
The thing with golf-sized balls, hail.
We talked to you guys a lot. We have not talked to you guys a lot. We haven't done a lot of cooking. It's just they've been feeding us so much. But it's been a great event. We got some connections made with Nucamp. Tanner, who's the video guy in IT, spoke with Julie in marketing, Sam, social media. Just everybody's really nice. It's a great family culture. So who knows what that'll bring in the future? Hearing all the stories and meeting all the people. I can't see us moving to another camper brand. If anything, we'll move up to the next size one day, but not anytime soon.
You'll get the thing. He will actually put a video on the founder story by Jim, which I have to say, please take the time. Joe. Please take the time and listen to Joe's story. It was very inspirational about how their company got started, the hard work that's been put in it, his core values and what they stand for as far as his products and his employees, and it's just awesome.
And a lot of his thoughts and ideas, he truly was a visionary and still is. A lot of his things align with us about living today and getting out there and doing stuff and sharing adventures and inspiring others and making a change in the world.
And
that really aligns with us. So it's a great company.
And
we're not affiliated, sponsored by them or anything at this time, and maybe never will, but if we can, we are always showing our tag anyway, so.
Well, we came out here. This is not really our kind of event to kind of go to. We did the more.
It's not her event.
Not my
I love being
event.
Here, talking and meeting people.
I love talking and meeting people. I just like being in where you can hike and you can walk and you're by the water.
There's no nature, but it's beautiful Amish country.
And there was really nice people that we got to meet.
We should have explored a little more, but we didn't. I think we've met so many great people, and it's festival camping.
Everybody who came, there was a lot of women campers that were out here. So I think a lot of people who came out here by themselves or didn't know anybody, you left with new friends.
Well, we left with probably 50 new friends, like we always do.
Which is awesome.
Met Bev and Dean from Minnesota, Chris and Cookie. I can't remember her actual name. Dude. Chris,
he told me.
They're from
Too much bourbon.
Indiana or Madison?
Too much
The other
bourbon.
Chris and his wife. One of them's from Madison area up by us. The other's from Indiana. So we'll hope to see them again. Al and his wife camped right behind us. I think it's Lauren and her wife across from us. Really great people. Who else? Doug and of course we got to meet Doug and Marshall, which was the highlight of the trip. They've been our subscribers for a year now.
Awesome people.
Oh yeah,
Very nice.
Good times with them.
And she aligns with my shopping and eating fetishes.
Yeah, I know. She drug us to the Amish Home Depot. Look at this, y'all. We're supposed to be at the Ucamp camping rally, and somehow we've ended up in a Amish Home Depot, and we're spending money. And I wonder whose fault this is. That's my friends from Alabama. And we'll zoom in. It's specifically this one that's caused this field trip. Shopping for wood.
We got
Live
some nice
edge wood.
wood.
We did. Prices are crazy here.
But
really good.
The event was awesome.
We met Vernon. He's out here by himself. He just got his tag last week, and part of his decision was made by our review video, so that's cool.
But the event was awesome. You had Monday through Saturday, every day carried events of either classes on learning about tire safety, gadgets and stuff that other people use in their teardrops from touring the company.
Battleborn battery seminar.
Battleborn
I've got a
there.
ton of videos. They're not going to be really camping videos, so you guys may or may
There were
not
some
want to
fun
watch them.
events
But
like cornhole. They're doing karaoke tonight, which I really, I would have
been up there.
Not singing, but to see. And the food. Oh my God, they had people from the Amish community. We have ate so well.
Ugh, too much food. It
Too
was
much
good,
food
though.
all week long. So you'll see bits and pieces and clips of stuff to kind of showcase the event. They've already announced the event will be next year. It'll be June 10th through the 13th. It is a raffle, so it's a lottery system. You submit your name, and it's not a guarantee that you will get a spot.
Yeah, but if you own a Nucamp, and I know some of you do that watch us, check it out. It's worth coming at least once. We're going to try to come back probably. And maybe the weather. Last year was a bad storm. This year was a bad storm.
That's okay, because we'll be out here for Taco Tuesday at another fabulous taco restaurant.
Oh,
right,
yeah,
Marcia?
Taco Tuesday. We got to go see our other older Ohio friends that we were just camping with last week.
Whoops, sorry. Thanks, Gary.
Don't touch that plate, Gary.
Yeah, I know it was hot.
I think
It was hot. Doesn't that just make you happy?
Not at all. But it's time to get home soon. We probably will take one weekend off. She's got to work this weekend. Next weekend we might go out, I'm not sure. Or we'll just sit because we got another big trip coming.
Been missing Jack.
Well, and it's just we're running hard. I'm kind of tired. And I got a ton of video to edit now. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, hit that button for us, would you? Trying to grow, trying to reach more people.
We love more people.
Yeah. But I suppose we may have talked too much now, but
No.
we're filling in all the talking we didn't do for the week.
But remember, it's never goodbye.
No, we're not doing that part yet.
I really hate when he does that.
You gonna be here, buddy?
Yeah, I'll be here.
All right, well, Ucamp23, that's our wrap. Boy, we got to meet Doug and Marcia. It was kind of a rough night. Can I talk about your story or no? So they're survivors. I don't know if I can talk about it. Of an F5, and the storm last night was pretty rough. So Marcia doesn't want to be on camera, and that's okay. But it touches me, and they're here because of who knows why they're here. They survived, and maybe that's why we're meant to meet each other, because we both survived some pretty crazy tragedies in our life, and really great people, great fun. It was just awesome to meet them, and then so many other new friends. Of course, she got to drag us to the Amish Home Depot while we're here, spending money, but Melissa loved that. And then the chocolate factory, you know, they're so much alike us, and we hope to see them again, and I know we will. And hearing the full story is really touching, and really, you're here for a reason, and it's like, why we're still here for a reason. Help others and slow down in life, enjoy things, meet people, get out there and just have fun. So I don't want to end this on a somber note, but the sun is shining. There wasn't too much major damage. It was pretty crazy for a little bit, but
yes, everybody survived.
Yep. And we're all gonna part our ways, but we will see each other again. And man, I loved meeting you.
It's nice meeting you.
What did you think about this event?
The people are the greatest. That's what this event was really all about, was the people.
It's a lot of food, man.
Always
I
the people.
gotta get on a diet.
A lot of good food.
But we loved meeting on and going around and doing stuff. We'll be down your way at some point, hopefully, and
We'll
camp
see
down
you.
there. I want to go to that waterfall, wherever that one is.
Yeah, we'll definitely take you.
Yeah. And if you get a little more north, we'll just come meet you somewhere. Just let us know.
So remember, it's never goodbye.
See you
See you soon, guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, you guys too.
It was great meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Gonna be okay. Gonna be okay.
It was so great.
It's a good thing you're not a nurse. You're too
I wear my heart out here.
You're
Yeah,
too soft-hearted to be a
Y'all
nurse.
have to have seen that in the video. I wear my heart out here.
Yeah, no, we did tell. You can tell you're a softie. You play all tough and bad with your tacos.
Well,
but deep down we know you
I'm
love
not
those
eating
too.
no tacos.
We know
was
you
gonna say,
love those too.
I'm sure for Melissa it's a lot different too. She deals with a lot of
Kind of
things
hard about stuff.
over the years. Over the years.
Seen a lot of death.
Yeah.
So she's hardened a little bit.
I'll start crying if I hit a squirrel.
Me
I
too.
will get sad about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We ride Sunday